What is machine learning? Machine learning can be confusing, so it is important that we begin by clearly defining the term. Machine learning is an application of AI that enables systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. How does machine learning work? With entities defined, deep learning can begin. It looks for patterns in data so it can later make inferences based on the examples provided. As a discipline, machine learning explores the analysis and construction of algorithms that can learn from and make predictions on data. ML has proven valuable because it can solve problems at a speed and scale that cannot be duplicated by the human mind alone. Data is key. The algorithms that drive machine learning are critical to success. This can reveal trends within data that information businesses can use to improve decision-making, optimize efficiency and capture actionable data at scale. It enables companies to replace or augment certain human capabilities.